Rail Baltica is one of the largest and most important infrastructure projects in Europe in the 21st century. It is not just a new railway line, but a strategic project that will transform transportation and trade between the Baltic states and Western Europe. The project aims to directly connect Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania to the European standard rail network, with extensions to Poland and a future connection to Finland via the sea.
It is a project to build a new, high-speed electrified railway line, approximately 870 kilometers long. It runs from the Estonian capital Tallinn through Pärnu, Riga, Banovice, and Kaunas to the Polish border, where it connects to the European rail network. The project is part of the 10T European Transport Corridor, one of the most important corridors that the European Union is developing to connect Northern Europe with Southern and Western Europe. Since the Soviet era, the Baltic states have used railways of Russian gauge, which differs from the European standard. Therefore, Rail Baltica was established to adopt the European standard, allowing for non-stop train service between the Baltic states and the rest of Europe. The project spans approximately 870 kilometers, distributed as follows: about 213 kilometers within Estonia, about 265 kilometers within Latvia, about 392 kilometers within Lithuania. It will be built entirely as a new line, not simply an upgrade of existing rail. One of the most important features of Rail Baltica is its design for modern European speeds: 249 kilometers per hour for passenger trains, up to 120 kilometers per hour for freight trains. This will significantly reduce travel times. For example, Tallinn to Riga in about 2 hours, Riga to Vilnius in about 2 hours, Tallinn to Warsaw in less than 7 hours. Riga Airport Station, one of the project's key hubs, will be directly connected to Riga Airport. This will allow passengers to transfer from the plane to the high-speed train in minutes, enhancing the airport's role as a regional transport center. Rail Baltica utilizes the latest European railway technologies: European signaling system, fully electric operation, digital train monitoring, advanced safety systems, and equipment to support future trains. The project is expected to increase trade between the Baltic states and Europe, reduce transport costs, attract investment, create thousands of jobs, develop the areas surrounding the stations, and boost tourism. Following security developments in Europe, Rail Baltica gained added importance as it facilitates the rapid movement of equipment and troops between NATO countries in the Baltic region, in addition to its civilian role. The project faced several challenges, including high material and construction costs, the need for coordination among 3 different countries, expropriation procedures, environmental requirements, and updated timelines as the scope of work expanded. Upon completion, Rail Baltica will become the first high-speed rail line directly connecting the Baltic states to the rest of Europe on a European scale, making it one of the continent's most important transport projects. It will shorten travel times, increase the efficiency of freight transport, and enhance economic integration between Northern and Central Europe. It will transform cities like Tallinn, Riga, and Vilnius into more competitive transport and logistics hubs on a European level.